Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most anticipated luxury EVs, the 2026 Volvo EX60. Volvo is calling this its most balanced electric SUV ever, blending elegance, performance, and sustainability like never before. If you love premium electric cars that scream class and comfort, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, so you never miss our deep dives into the next generation of cars. The 2026 EX60 captures the future of Scandinavian design, minimal, bold, and functional. Its smooth lines, signature Thor's hammer LED headlights, and closed-off grille give it a clean, aerodynamic silhouette. Volvo's attention to proportion and simplicity makes this SUV look both luxurious and futuristic, without being flashy. Built on Volvo's new SPA2 platform, the EX60 shares DNA with the flagship EX90. Expect dual-motor all-wheel drive, instant torque, and a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge. It's not just about power. The EX60 will also introduce next-gen battery tech for faster charging and better thermal efficiency. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed for serenity. The interior is crafted from sustainable materials, recycled fabrics, wood trims, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The large Google-based infotainment system brings seamless connectivity, and the Bowers & Wilkins sound system transforms every drive into a concert. Volvo has always led the way in safety, and the X60 takes it to the next level. With LiDAR sensors, advanced cameras, and AI-assisted driving tech, this SUV will practically watch the road for you. It's a step toward full self-driving, making every journey smarter and safer than ever before. Underneath the calm exterior lies a beast. The X60's electric motors can deliver over 400 horsepower, with instant acceleration and precision handling. Volvo has fine-tuned the suspension to ensure both comfort and agility, a true blend of power and peace. Volvo aims to eliminate range anxiety. The EX60 supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing 80% battery in just 25 minutes. With smart navigation that finds optimal charging stops, it's designed for long road trips with total confidence. Beyond performance, the EX60 is about responsibility. Volvo promises that by 2026, the car will be produced using net-zero carbon manufacturing. Every element, from its aluminum body to its vegan leather seats, reflects Volvo's commitment to sustainability. The Volvo EX60 is expected to start around $55,000 and will slot between the smaller X40 and the flagship X90. Launch is set for late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026. This model will be Volvo's global EV game-changer, competing directly with Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes in the luxury electric SUV arena. So what do you think? Could the Volvo X60 be the perfect mix of luxury, safety, and sustainability? It feels like the kind of SUV that quietly changes everything. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the cars shaping the future. Until next time, drive smart, drive electric.